Hey YouTube, there's a can set at 25 yards, and I'm gonna shoot it with a Mathews MQ1. 25 yards. Here it is. Well, as you can see, I just hit it right there, and right in the middle of the screen, you might be able to see my arrow. It's sticking up past the fence. Alright. Here, I'll go show you. That was actually my first shot of the day, and I hit it. Hope I didn't mess up my feathers whenever I was crossing the fence or anything. But, let's see. Well, the can was sitting right about, there's the basketball, it was probably sitting right about there. And I shot it. It came up right here, and boom, there it is. Tore it up. There's my arrow right there. Alright, well, there you have it. Right there. Shot all the way from right there from the chair. Alright, hope you liked that video. Now I'll get some more.